Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to REALME GT 7T. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now on your second device, in this case REALME, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow all, and whatever you want to in those three pop-ups. When you finished, you need to hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to send at the bottom of REALME. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times. Then select your files. And when you're ready with all of them, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you want to transfer any app though, you need to hit OK in this pop-up to confirm your choice. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then choose the Receive button. If your code is not working, make sure all of those numbers are correct and that it didn't expire. If you wish to scan the QR code, select Scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Hit while using, or only this time, in the pop-up to allow camera access and point your REALME's camera at the code. Then wait. Close all the visible ads. And when you're done, click over here on both smartphones to see that all of your files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!